Hello, I'm Alex and today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper moving Flexagon. So first you start off with a hamburger fold like this. After that, open it up and take this corner and fold it to the middle crease that you made. Next, fold the other side to the middle crease too, like this. Now flip it over and fold this part upwards. And then either rip or use scissors to cut this part out. So you should end up with like this. Then you want to do a hot dog fold. And you want to do another hot dog fold to the center. Do that on the other side. After you got this, fold it in half, like this. And then fold it into quarters. Next, you want to fold it into eighths. So you take this edge and you bring it to this edge, and then fold it. And then do the same thing for the other side. So you want to bring this edge over here. After that, fold this edge to this crease. Turn it around and fold this edge to this crease. So you should have 16 boxes. Next, we want to use a pen or pencil and a ruler. We want to draw lines. So starting from this point to the second box on the left, we want to draw a line. And then from the top right to the fourth box from the right. So you want to like skip 2 every single time you draw. See like how there's 2 boxes here, 2 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 here. That's what you want to try and do. Next, you also want to do the other side. So it's gonna be like this. Don't worry about this line. Okay, so now we have all the lines. It should look like on each 2x1 box there's a X. Now we want to fold on each line. On each of the lines we drew. And then also do the other side. So in the end, after you folded all of them, it should look something like this. Now what you want to do is you want to take two of these, a 4x4 or a 2x2 here, and you want to insert it into this one. So it would look something like this after it's finished. So we have to insert it. And when you're doing the folding, you want to have good creases. It will make everything easier in the next few steps. So this is how it looks like. Next we want to crease these ones right here. Make sure these creases are good. And then also do it for this side. Next, we want to find a diamond. So over here there's a diamond, and we want to push it down so the middle of the diamond, there's a crease in the middle of the diamond that it's at the very top, like this, and then you want to crease that. And then you want to do it to all three sides. So like there's a diamond over here, and then you want to push it, and then crease. And then do it again. Crease. So it should be something like this. After we did that, we want to take these two corners right here, and we want to push it forward like this, and then we do it on all three sides. Making it look like something in this shape. Yeah, so now it's done. Now you can just play with it. You press in the middle, there will be a continuous loop like this. Thanks for watching.